sustain the company's competitiveness, you need the best people. Being in HR, we are in the position to make very impactful decisions. These decisions are not only around which people to hire, but also how to make sure people can develop their skills and put out their best performance. Working for a giant company like Unilever as an HR professional means managing thousands of people that are working for us. It is definitely very impactful to the business. For me, working in HR really ignites my passion around working with people to ensure we have great people around and also have world-class people development programs.